Good morning, everybody. It's Marty, the JavaScript party. Rhett's out in the living room. She actually only has one M&M. It'll be interesting to see if it makes it till tomorrow morning. I don't think it will, but I think I have my microphone close enough, and here we go. So I'm waiting for this thing to build. I don't know why I don't have another terminal. If I hit this little button here, I think it'll give me a new terminal. I don't do it very often, but I believe what we need is, gosh, everything's slow. Okay, so I need to run my unit tests. Basically, yesterday it looked like all the end-to-end tests are, um, looks like they're all passing. One of them is failing, the delete one is failing, but it seems like it's like the test has become stale um, as opposed to the actual, like there being an actual problem. But I don't know that for sure. But I'm going to focus on unit tests first. I think I have the code in a place where I want to commit it and all that. And this is going to be the last time. Next time I will commit before the unit tests and then do another commit after the unit test and then do another commit after end-to-end testing because this gets way out of hand. Um, so npm start, no, npm run test. I believe that will run all my unit tests. I think this has got to be up and running by now, right? Yeah. So here we go. I have this slash slash code coverage, and that will render um, it'll create a new folder, and then it'll create a an index file that you can look at. And you don't even need a server or anything for this. And see, last time I ran this, I had 100%. I believe it's still running, or it may not even be running. It might have broken. It's still building. It would surprise me if we have some like just tests that just won't even transpile because uh, I changed a lot of function names. Oh, yep. Okay, so this does not surprise me. All right, so I guess we should start at the bottom. Um, so in this visualization service spec on line 240, it's trying to get a viz for component, but that we apparently got rid of that, which, yeah, I believe I made it like stviz or something like that. Um, let's see, dot get, yeah, st visualization for component. I believe that was a straight up rename. And that was it, though. I don't think there was any actual. Now, I guess it would, just for the sake of speed, if we do a control F on that. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to do control F. So that'll search within this, and then I'm going to do a control V to get this, get viz for component. Oh, maybe there aren't anymore. That's weird. I wonder what all these other breakages are. I don't know. Hit save, work our way up. Oh, I guess this is where 25. Okay, it did compile, right? Yeah. Oh, yeah. In visualization. Oh, that's pretty cool that it actually said, no, this is what you want. Hmm. Like, it's crazy that it actually connected the dots for me there. Looks like we have a bunch of the same issue. See, this was actually the strength of one of the huge strengths of unit tests before. And then this is ST, right? Ooh, geez. Okay, so this is the service, so create visualization. I think it's create ST visualization. Yeah. Fortunately, I only had to change the add ST as opposed to go all the way through and like, okay, this is ST visualizations. All right, what's broken now? In our visualization service spec, that's where we are, right? Okay, this is old apparently. Okay, I don't remember what we named this one. This is definitely okay. So let's go there. See, this would have been so hard in the future. So it was get first empty, and then we changed it up to like get stale or something like that. Component get first stale visualization. Say back, back, and that's that. Oh no, yeah. Wonder what the problem is. Well, actually, it looks like this full on test is no longer relevant. It's uh, the get first empty. I guess the argument can be made to try to save it and rename it properly, but I feel like it's better to delete it. And then when I get less than 100% over here, to write the test as maybe as, you know, closer to its, truly useful intention. Get initial existing with component. I don't even think this exists anymore. Should upsert for empty visualization. Okay, yeah, I don't like that test. I would like to get a better try. We did a spy on, maybe might end up having to do that again, but would like to take another swing at it. Okay, hit save. Looks like we still have some issues up here. I think these are ST. I think ST. And then delete viz component by ST visualization ID. Okay, what is this whole thing? It should create a new visualization. So we know that's going to be create ST visualization, and then this is get ST visualizations. This is the delete result. I wonder. So this intention was for this to delete the visualization. So if we do Control F, delete B. Okay, delete viz component by ST component ID. Oh, is that the was the S? Oh, so we have a delete, but this is to delete a visualization component. Was probably what it was. Let's look for some more deletes. Delete component for ID. Delete visualization for renderer ID. I think that is the one. Okay, so I think this is supposed to be the renderer ID, and then oh, see, we expected the visualization ID to be equal to the renderer ID. Okay, so D, and then we want to send it the render ID, which I guess happens to be the same as the visualization ID. Would be kind of cool if we could and then what is this thing? Okay, so now it expects delete. I guess that returns a length 0. I don't know if that's a great test, but all right. So what's next? I think we have. I don't think this was the only file that had issues. So come on, Arlie. So this is the old one. I wish they. I'm surprised they don't have like a date. Oh, there we go. Yeah, they do. So this was October 29th was the last time we had like a successful unit test run. So that was like 14 days ago, 15 days ago, something like that. Wonder if the dash dash coverage adds. I don't think so. I was gonna say I wonder if the dash dash coverage adds a bunch of time, but I doubt it does because the it should be dying on the um this one. So this one's not broken. Um, it should have been dying on the transpiling part. So it's probably nowhere near building out an index file for the coverage. It's so hard to like the point of unit tests is for you to just really take a microscope look at the code, I think. I believe this is me just talking about my opinion. I think the whole point is that hey, this is your opportunity to really on a line by line basis just obsess about every line of your code and make sure that it's as perfect as you can make it. But we get so fixated on just passing unit tests that you lose that view. All right. Oh, okay, so it could not find triple in. So where's its problem though? Entities, geometry. Oh yeah. So I think all I have to do is just delete this and then right, I guess hit save and then right click on this and then not right click on it. Click on this and look for the little blue thing here and just tell it to pull the import in. It's computers doing what computers are good at. I don't think I wanted it there though. I think I want it there. Is there any more? Looks like camera. Maybe all of these guys. And let's see what's next. Control V, Control S, then geometry service spec. I think we already fixed this one. Okay, that is the triple. We got all kinds of problems. All right. Okay, why Why can't I? That was weird. That was so strange. Okay, now 840, 840. I guess every time one of these little things comes up, I go, okay, yeah, no, that makes sense, and that gives me a certain sense that everything's okay. Um, let's see, render service spec. Well, let's see. I can't remember. Is it one more? Is it one less now? Oops. I'm curious. Okay, where are we? Let's see if I can do this. I think I want to find ST render. No, I don't know. Hit save. Now I got, yeah, this gold one. Never really seen that before. Now this is the blue one. Yeah, that is so wild. I don't know what that thing is. So it always, like I always notice little details like that. I think when the ground starts to shift under you, the sooner that you recognize that something has changed, probably the more likely you'll be able to keep up with changes. It is 39 degrees Fahrenheit outside. All the feral cats look very comfortable with it, but it's supposed to get up to like tomorrow's Friday, so yeah, like 74 degrees or something tomorrow. Did it finish again? Did it? Yeah. All right. That is so wild. I guess I'm just gonna leave that there. It's just not worth it. So it feels like I just one more back is what it ended up being. So maybe that'll save time. Oh yeah. I think that's faster than using the tool. Animation spec set component set. So visualization service dot. I'm guessing it's still set. Okay, what is it? It should position the visualization. The vi position and style the visualization. So set. I don't even know what I'm trying to do there when I set that set. I'm trying to get it to modify it. Set. So it doesn't look like I have a set viz at all. Set up visualization. Hmm. Okay, let's go look in the visualization service. Wait, okay, so what are we expecting to do? We're supposed to, okay, we are supposed to basically, oh, expect that, so something in this visualization service. Go to implementation. Let's try it. I'm guessing that's an ST. Entities. Where the heck is, okay. This is something that we import. Oh, look, this is all messed up. So that might even be the problem. Okay, let's fix those up there first. I don't think that is the problem, but we should not be pulling in a bunch of. Okay, so I think we figured out that all of these are one more back. Maybe not. I don't know. I think that was for the. No, that wasn't for the services. Oh, so the services are one less. I figured it was something like that. Okay, so now let's see what. See if this. Component ID. Okay, so visualization service. It's just visualization service. I was just trying to find a quick way to get there. Calculate positions. Go to implement, go to definition. Okay. I think, is it, oh, okay, so there is set up visualizations, which takes an array of components. Is that what I was trying to figure out? Nope, that is for, that was for, okay, set up visualizations for, by ST visualization. So, oh my gosh, I was there. Set up visualizations, set up visualization items, upsert viz component. This. Okay, so I don't think whatever I was doing there, I think it's just completely broken. So I think what I'm going to do is undo what I've done so far. I'm just going to comment this out. And I suspect later on we'll be like, oh, this, oh, so it should fail. It should fail, and then it'll probably be easier to figure out in that context. Still have 7 minutes. Get so bored in these situations where we're waiting for stuff to build. Um, okay. Okay, so we figured those, I think we figured out those were one more deep, or I guess they're one less deep. Oh, so ST render service. Now this is the blue with the black, it was a blue outline. So wild. Blue outline with Well, it's a blue outline instead of control S. I think I should make this bigger. Maybe I wouldn't have needed to go back like that. Let's go here and see if this is broken. Okay, so that's not broken. So we had a whole bunch of different things that were broken in that one file. Kind of acts like this may be it though. I think that this might actually end up being the last. Running it. I said it. Okay, so this is new. Oh yeah, this was like set as detached or something like that. See, this would be impossible to remember in set attached. In like a month or whatever, or if somebody was working in parallel with me. Get current visualization by ID. Hmm. Get current visual, and I have this get current. Yeah, I think that was one of those things where I was like, this isn't even work. I mean, like, I have the wrong name completely. Let's see, what is this one up here? Okay, so ST render, I thought that was in the exact same. Oh, it's just single dot. Nope. Okay. Like, could I go back and look and see if those are the same? Sure, I could. I mean, I could go and divine that for myself wherever it's at, but like, it's so much faster to use the tool. But does that mean I want to be dependent on the tool? No, I do not want to be dependent on the tool. Okay, so it kind of looks like we're good again. 8:52, 3 more minutes. Yep, okay. So now if I hit refresh on this. Oh, I don't think it was done. Oh, it wasn't done. So all it did was render. I'm pretty sure we're not passing everything. I always forget that there's the whole part where you have to fix all the broken unit tests because of the refactors. Okay, so this one is dying. 105, 2 failures. It's showing one there and one there. Let's see. I, I wish they kind of gave a better indication of what okay, so this is the name of it, so that'll be the easiest thing to search. Oh no, why did you do that? Okay, should set, so you can usually copy this text right here. And you may not be able to find it all, but man, this is crazy. It's just, yeah, I don't know what's happening there. That's not good though. Whatever is happening here, where it just keeps, it's never done. It says we're in the request animation handler though, so I don't know. I don't know what's happening there. I'm gonna kill it, which is kind of a bummer, and search for that text. And let's see if we get rid of this. There we go. So here's the first one that's failing, and this was, yeah, why we did that. Okay, so we mock viz, and now basically inside of our visualization service, so this is not the service that we're actually using. We were saying set it up, and then we were expecting that the mock element would have a style of 200. And now let's try visualize, see if there's anything. Setup visualization, ST visualization, upsert. Okay, so I don't really remember exactly. Okay, so I'm just going to comment this out. I'm a little bit lost in. I'm just going to remove. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I think I'm just going to remove this and let the. Well, I'm sure this will come back as something that where we don't get enough. Um, um, where we don't get enough of these, or where we don't get enough coverage. So we'll come back and hopefully it'll be a little easier to understand. But basically, we need to run some kind of function that's going to update the position. We are setting the position there. 56. I would love to get that last one fixed. I may not be able to. Or the last one uh, commented out so we could at least then get to our coverage. I don't think I'll, like I said, I don't think we'll get to that. We might get this one commented out, but all right, that's good news. Now, if I wasn't committed to 100% coverage, then I would be a little bit like, ooh, I don't want to forget to work on that one. Okay, so this is get visualization for a component. Gets a visualization for a component. And we're going to have to figure that out too. Can't even kill it. Okay. Oh, I think I just get a. Oh, wait. Okay, so we do have one failed, but we also did get a report. So here's our report. So yeah, so we need to get this guy fixed. So this did finish. Oh, I guess it was just that it had a ton of latent. Where's the one? Did I kill it? I guess I killed it. Um, it's like all these logs were in there already. Okay, so we need to get rid of these console logs. We need to figure out which one is failing, and that yeah, and then see if we can get them passing, and or maybe work through the unit through the coverage and see if we figure it out in that process. It was happy coding, everybody. Bye.